Here's a list of materials and tools that we used and that are going to show up in this video to complete this job. Two DIY guys are going to re-roof this detached garage. We decided to have the shingles delivered. There were 34 bundles. You certainly, if you don't mind hoisting them, could get them into a pickup truck, but we chose instead to have these brought in and also ideally have them put on the roof. We weren't able to do that. If your shingles aren't too terribly bad, you can avoid this part by putting another layer on top, but ours were all curled up, so we got a hold of some roofing spades and off they came. And this job is about as labor intensive as it looks. Not only that, but afterwards, you've got to make sure you don't have any nails left in. Either pound them in or pull them out and throw them out. If you're doing a tear-off, another thing you need is a dumpster. Once all the old shingles are removed and the nails either pulled out or pounded in, it can be time to get ready to lay down the felt underlayment. And we'll just cut it to length down there. Okay, it's right along the edge. The very edge of the roof, over the flashing, and stapled down. If you're going to be roofing it right away with the shingles, you don't need to put too many staples down. If it's going to sit a while without shingles, add more. Before you put shingles on, you want to put the starter down. Okay, so then we just roll it on down, huh?
Yep, but it's not wanting to stick because it's not hot out.
It doesn't take a huge compressor. What the heck? We're installing 35-year architectural shingles. Okay, we're putting 4 1.25" roofing nails per shingle. You can do this trim job at the edge with a utility knife, but a jigsaw works very nicely for this.
Again, I'm not putting any nails above it or staples above it. Let that water get on top of the flashing.
Pretty.
If we weren't following this up with shingles right away, you'd want to put a few more nails, a few more staples. Show you. Oh, nice.
So make a chalk line on one of the edges of this cap pieces. I should mention, use longer nails on these cap shingles, 2-inch long nails at least. Okay, and we're all done. It's basically a 17-hour job. 2 guys. Take a look at this cost breakdown. Would have been well under $1,000 without that dumpster. Thanks for watching and good luck on your DIY jobs.